When birds attack. It's not a question of if birds attack, it's when they attack. What can you do? If you fly your drone for any length of time, you will probably experience a bird trying to take out your drone. There are even some places where birds have actually been trained to do just that. With that in mind, one of the easiest and most effective ways to keep birds away from your drone is to attach reflective tape to your drone. The consensus seems to be that red works best. With that in mind, we will now delve into some of the other considerations regarding flying our drones in our birds' homes.
In the expansive sky, an age-old ballet plays out, with birds masterfully navigating air currents. Now drones join this aerial dance. As marvels of modern technology, they capture stunning views but introduce challenges in coexisting with our sky's original navigators. Birds may view drones as predators, leading to potential conflicts. This interaction between natural and mechanical flyers spotlights the importance of respect, coexistence, and the responsibility of drone enthusiasts. As we delve into the dynamics of feathers and flight, it's crucial to remember, the sky is a shared domain. With informed and considerate practices, we can maintain it as a realm of harmony. Join us as we uncover ways to foster peaceful skies for everyone. As we venture further, the ancient paths of birds intersect with the buzzing of drones. This segment explores strategies for harmonious bird-drone coexistence, emphasizing the importance of mindful flying within our shared airspace. The apparent boundlessness of the sky demands that we, as the newcomers, navigate with care and intention, making our flights minimally intrusive to our avian companions. Adjusting flight times to avoid peak bird activity is a conscious effort to honor wildlife rhythms. Avoiding nesting areas shows our respect for creatures' homes, ensuring our drones don't disturb these sanctuaries. While visual bird repellents can be useful, they must be used judiciously to avoid causing distress. Choosing to fly at higher altitudes creates a safe buffer, minimizing encounters. A proactive approach, such as monitoring avian behaviors and deploying propeller guards, reflects our dedication to safety and the well-being of all sky inhabitants. Deciding on flight locales goes beyond scenic value. It's about reducing disruption. Educating ourselves about local bird species enriches our understanding and fosters mutual respect. These strategies are woven into the larger narrative of responsible drone operation, driving us towards a harmonious existence with nature. The journey towards seamless integration with the natural world is ongoing, highlighted by the criticality of our actions in realizing a shared vision of coexistence. As our exploration concludes, let us reflect on the harmonious blend achievable between drones and birds, emphasizing respectful flight practices such as avoiding peak bird hours, respecting nesting grounds, and utilizing visual deterrents wisely reveals our path to considerate drone flying. Compliance with wildlife regulations and local guidelines stands as our framework for responsible flight, symbolizing our commitment to cohabitation. As enthusiasts, embodying informed drone usage principles is key, aspiring to complement rather than compromise the aerial world's beauty and balance. By adopting these practices, we facilitate a fusion of technology and nature, painting the skies with innovation and coexistence. Fly with responsibility, cherish our shared skies, and let's foster a harmonious future together.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more drone tips and tricks. And don't forget to comment below with your experiences or any other suggestions for keeping birds away from drones.